Happy to make business with you.
I'm happy too, because it's always a pleasure.
What the hell is going here? It's none of business.
Mr. Thompson, what are you doing with this gangster?
Where do you see a gangster? I see a businessman!
Mr. Thompson, you know this man. He kills people, he sells alcohol and drugs.
My mom always say I'm a good boy.
I heard that you settled down, that you found a girl and you're married now. I heard that your dreams came true. Guess she gave you things I didn't give to you. Old friend, why are you so shy? Ain't like you to hold back or hide from the light. I hate to turn up out of the blue uninvited, but I couldn't stay away, I couldn't fight it. I had hoped you'd see my face and that you'd be reminded that for me it isn't over.
I'm sorry boys, I didn't want to say that.
Like you, I wish nothing but the best for you too. Don't forget me, I beg. I remember you said
I'm not gay!
What to remember?
No! Don't die!
I'm dying. Tell your mom I love her.
Okay.
Are you kidding me?
No. Can you some respect for this treatment?
It's not a treatment. His mom is lying.
Don't tell about my mom!
Stop.